Good morning, friends. I am Gaurang Chinoy from Team JM Financial, presenting a case on Indus. First is big data. Project is intelligent data analysis with an innovation of highly scalable and non-blocking solution. The benefit will be no prospective customer better and competitor through the social media. So we know pros and cons of my product and the competitor's product. Understanding performance of our competitors' product through social media, bringing in intelligence through social media, identifying the team vendor to work on this project. That is the first step, and second is to roll out the project. Second is M2M machine communication with the help of Vodafone. Project is loyalty card for customer through retailer. The innovation what we are trying to build is there is no need to capture the preference of the customer manually. As per the preference of the customer, as per his past performance, we can have the database of the customer, his preferences, and whenever customer enters any mall or any store, he will get the SMS, what are the offer for the day for that particular product he is interested, and he will get some discount and all. Third is data center transformation. Data center consolidation through smaller carbon footprint and free cooling. The benefit will be lower operational cost, better and efficient and more streamlined DCs, better DR and lower manpower cost. Steps are finalize DC location, size and design, scalable DC as per the RFP and company growth plan, develop the DC management tools through DKIM. Private cloud technology, innovation is reduction in microphone licenses and reducing the cost. Project is, benefits are quick scalability and cost saving and sharing across BU. Self-service portal, unified management, high resilience and uptime. Identification of the application on the cloud, that is the first step. Second will be sizing of CPU, memory and disk space. And the last will be to implement that project. Business productivity and BI. Project is BI. Innovation will be intelligent data capturing, analysis and MIS reporting for the management. The benefits will be automated, smooth and transparent workflow, optimization of IT cost, inventory forecasting, quality of service. Steps will be implementation of BMC software, discuss with business unit heads, select the data to be captured for data analysis, for management reporting. Business service management, here the innovation will be collecting and analyzing real-time stock inventory. Benefits will be supply chain efficiency and inventory management to implement a uniform GST regime, consolidation of the warehousing and distribution centers in hubs and spoke, and meeting various regulatory compliances because we are in this particular industry is in a food and healthcare and skincare, so the different regulators will come into picture, so we need to meet their requirements also. And step will be roll out the software and data collection. Sorry, I think there is some problem with the this thing. And enterprise security. Project is single sign-on and secure remote computing with two-factor authentication. Innovation will be same user experience across all platforms and user activity tracking. The benefits will be work from anywhere from any smart device, identity awareness, address certain DR scenario, cost saving, 24/7 access, increase employee productivity, seamless workflow which is more secure. Steps will be mobile access of checkpoint implementation, identity awareness of checkpoint. Thank you.